Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's market fundamental and technical breakdown. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I'm the founder of Next Digital Lane, where everyone who has a knowledge gap in digital trading can get the right knowledge, get the right guidance, and also get the right softwares to be able to achieve profitability and funding from different companies. Today, I'll be sharing with you an opportunity that can enable you to get funding from a company. And this is instant funding ranging from $1,000 up to $400,000. So I want you to watch to the end because we're going to be giving you guys not just the technical breakdown of the markets for this time duration, we're also going to be giving you the fundamental breakdown as well. So let's dive into this. If this is your first time, I want you to smash the like button and I want you to click on the share icon to share this information with your friends and family. And as well, I want you to be able to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, guys? So, just a sec. Okay, fantastic, fantastic. Okay, so currently what you're looking at is the charts. Okay, this is DXY. So the pairs we'll be analyzing are major pairs like DXY, Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, XAU USD, which is gold, and Bitcoin. But before we dive into that, I want you guys to share on the comment section which other pair would you like me to analyze on every Sunday session. And I want you guys to try as much as possible to watch to the end. And when you watch the end, I want you guys to drop your comments because I'll be going through every single comment. And when you watch the end, I want you to smash the like button. This will help YouTube algorithm to share this content with other Forex traders who want to be able to watch this Forex forecast. And YouTube will also know that this is a very, very important content and they'll be able to use your interest to be able to share it with other people who are also Forex traders. So try as much as possible to smash the like button, try as much as possible to watch to the end, and try as much as possible to share this content or even comment below, okay? I'll be going through all your comments. Like I said, which other pair would you like me to add into this list? And I know when we go live, most times a lot of you said I should also analyze NASDAQ and S&P 500. So I want to know, is that a popular opinion or should I just continue analyzing DXY, Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, XAUSD, also known as gold, and Bitcoin? So with that said, before I dive into that, I want you guys to be aware of our sponsor broker. We currently work with HFM. Okay, so once you go to the description below, you're going to see a link that says recommended Forex broker, HFM. You click on that link, and then once you click on the link, you're going to see a register button. You come over here, you click register, and then you select your country of residence, your email, create a password for yourself. I have read and accepted the privacy policy. Then you click on register. After that, you can go through registration process. We'll also be attaching a video below that you can as well watch, and to give you the basic step-by-step guidance you need to be able to register your account successfully. Verify with either your NIN, your voter's card, your international passport, or your driver's license. You need one of these documents to be able to verify your KYC and be able to get full access to this broker, and be able to fund your money and as well withdraw your funds. This broker is going to give you access to trading on platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. That's why they are called a broker. So once you have been able to register with a broker, I also advise you to subscribe to our free Telegram channel. The link is going to be on the description. On a weekly basis, we share free signals, which is buy signals or sell signals on these actual pairs we'll be analyzing today. Okay, so we're going to monitor these pairs during the week, and when we see signal opportunities, we share it with you guys in the group. So don't hesitate, go down there, click on the Telegram link, and then join the Telegram channel. So with that said, let's dive into the chart. So currently I'm looking at DXY. So DXY is currently on a downtrend. And from what we said last week, I remember I told you guys that I am still expecting DXY to have more downward movement. You see the downtrend over here. So this is the downtrend you see on DXY right here. Okay. So with that said, you see DXY had this impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse, and then range. There was a range, which is accumulation phase of buy stops and sell stops. Okay. So from this point right now, I still see that DXY has broken a level of liquidity. From this point, the market went down, went up a bit, but didn't get to this resistance. And then from here, when we had FOMC, it broke this level and then took this liquidity below here. So from DXY, what I expected was a corrective structure and then another push to the downside. That's what I see for DXY right now. Okay. And why I see that is because the FOMC resulted to 50 base point cut, 50 base points cut. And when this 50 base point cut was done, it means that the Federal Reserve Bank has reduced the interest paid to investors who borrow the money to the banks and also those who buy bonds from the government. So with that said, it's going to make the dollar weak. Okay, so that's why we expect more falls on DXY. These falls can continue to the United States election. Okay, so that's what I mean. I see for DXY. Then the next on Euro USD, what I see for Euro USD is that we are currently inside what a resistance zone, aka a supply zone. Okay, that's what I see currently. This is what we see. This is a resistance zone. Why I call it a resistance zone? Because market got here before, rejected and came back down, got back into that zone again, rejected and what dropped down massively. So the market has what found its way back into this resistance zone, aka supply zone. And then for me, I'm expecting what a corrective structure to the downside to grab some buy orders from me. And then for me, we can now start expecting a push to the upside for Euro USD. Why I anticipate this massive up wave push is going to be an impulsive wave, the buy setup. So I'm more interested in looking for buy setups on Euro USD. If I see any sell setups, I won't be interested in the sell setup. It's more like a corrective structure. And sometimes you can be trapped inside this corrective structure, not knowing when to take profits. But if you go in on the long, which is the buy and which is the main wave for the markets this week, you are going to see what massive moves, and then you'll be able to capitalize on these massive moves and make profits in the market without being trapped. So that's what I see. I'll be looking out for buy opportunities. This doesn't mean that as soon as market opens up, you go and start buying Euro USD. No, you need to give the market some time. You need to settle down. You need to give the market to give you the right setup. I need to give the market to actually form the structure in the right time to be able to execute the trade and be able to capitalize on this move. Okay, so that's what I see currently for Euro USD. Currency structure and another push to the upside. The next here is AUD USD. AUD USD. So for AUD USD, the structure is quite easy. Since we also have a corrective structure on Euro USD, I expect what a corrective structure in AUD USD because this high was taken. Okay, if you take this over here, see this high was cleared, liquidity was taken. Okay, so from this market structure break to the upside, okay, we're expecting what a return, which is going to grab buyers below here. There are buy stops lying here. Okay, there are pending buy limits lying over here. Okay, which is going to be a discount level. Okay, so the way the market maker makes money is either taking your stop loss one and second selling the market to you at premium. So those who buy from this level over here, they are selling, they are buying the market at a premium level. Well, the market maker bought the market at a discount level. This is discount level where the market maker bought and they are in profit. This is discount level where the market maker bought, and then some institutional investors or probably banks or even retail traders buy at premium level, which is how the market maker makes money. So when there is a little retracement, you are probably on a drawdown, not in profit, but the market maker bought over here and they're still in profit. So this is what we're looking at now. We're not going to buy at a premium level. Instead, we're going to wait for the market to give us a discounted price. And from when we get this discounted price, then we can be able to buy. We can also buy from below here. Probably the market maker would want to take out stops over here. Okay, when they have like buy, because there's a lot of stop loss lying below here. and stop loss line below here. So probably if the market comes down, even takes stops below here, we're still going to look for our buy setups and then take the market to the upside, capitalizing on this move to the upside. Our major target is going to be the psychological level of 0.685 level, okay, or point for AUD USD. Then the next is GBP USD. GBP USD, for GBP USD, we have the same structure, quite similar to AUD USD. And from what I see for GBP USD, we already took out this high over here. And GP was one of those very strong pairs for the week, okay? So once you took out this high, we're expecting what GP to come back, give us a retracement or a corrective structure. Then from there, we're taking the next buy wave to the upside. Then the next is XAUUSD, XAUUSD. So for XAUUSD, the market is moving to the upside massive. The market is moving to the upside massive. And from last week, I already told you guys that after the market broke this range, it needed what? To have what? A corrective structure. This was the corrective structure the market gave to us last week, okay? So this corrective structure, after the market gave us corrective structure, it was now pushing up massively. So any other corrective structure we get on the market, we buy again. We're not interested for sell setups, no. Don't be looking for sell stops right now. Instead, you should be taking partial profit. Those who bought from here, after the FOMC, the next day on Thursday, the market started buying rapidly. So if you bought the market on Thursday till Friday, the market should give you some massive profit. So those of you on the buy setups or the buy trades, you should be taking partial profits, okay? But if the market uses a corrective structure and you're not yet in, wait for the market to give you corrective structure, then you buy again. So the next is Bitcoin, BTC USDT, BTC USDT. So for BTC USDT, I already called out the trades from last week, and I told you guys that okay, so I called out the trade from this point last week for BTC USDT over here when the market was here on Sunday. So you guys, BTC USD is going to give us a corrective structure, which BTC USD gave us this corrective structure towards this level is around the $57,500 per Bitcoin mark. And then after that, I told you guys that Bitcoin is going to go and take out this high, okay, over here, take out this high. This is the high we're expecting market to come and take out this liquidity over here. So if you see any corrective structure on Bitcoin, which I see Bitcoin already formed over here, we will be looking for another buy setup, okay, for Bitcoin to take out this liquidity over here. So when this liquidity is taken, okay, and this resistance is broken, okay, the next high we should not be going for is this high, okay. But for now, these are our main targets, okay, and the psychological level is the 65,000 dollars per Bitcoin mark. Yeah, $65,000 per Bitcoin mark. So that's it for Bitcoin and the technical analysis. Let's move over to the fundamental analysis. So for the fundamental analysis over here, we see that the market is currently okay. Okay, so for the week, the headlines include flash PMI, the US consumer confidence, the Reserve Bank of Australia and SNB rate decision, and the US jobless claims, okay? So for Monday, we have Japan on holiday. Then we have Australia / Eurozone / UK / US flash PMI. A lot of PMI happening on Monday. So I will not be looking forward for these flash PMIs. I'll be more interested for these Reserve Bank of Australia policy decisions. Then that's interest rate decision. Then I'll be interested on Thursday as well for the New Zealand interest rate decision. Then I think then on Thursday as well, we have the US durable goods order and jobless claims. Okay, so we will see massive inflows of liquidity in the Australian dollar on Tuesday and massive flows of liquidity on New Zealand dollar on Thursday because of the interest rate decision. Because whenever interest rate decision is announced, there is massive inflow. Like last week, we have the Great Britain pound. Okay, they had their interest rates unchanged. Okay. and it was left at the same figure after they hiked after the last meeting they hiked. This current meeting last week, they didn't hike, they left it unchanged, and that gave the Great Britain pound some massive strength to the upside. So GPUSD bought massively. So let's read out okay, we also have the Australian monthly CPI. CPI is also another high impact news. I want to focus mainly on high impact news mainly. And the high impact news I can see on the calendar for the week is Tuesday, Reserve Bank of Australia policy decision rates. Wednesday, CPI. CPI is the very, very high impact news. Then Thursday, news around policy decision rates and US durable goods order, as well as jobless claims is high impact news. Then Friday, to wrap up the week, no much high impact news. We don't trade Tokyo. We don't trade Tokyo CPI. Okay, so let's go down to Tuesday and read what we see. On Tuesday, the Reserve Bank of Australia is expected to keep the cash rate unchanged at 4.35%. If this happens, AUD USD would buy. Okay, so Tuesday could be the day we need to buy AUD USD, the trigger day, the day that we need to pull the trigger on buy on AUD USD. Like we already analyzed on the technical analysis. And we figured out that last week, GBP USD, when they kept the interest rate unchanged, GBP bought against the dollar. Okay, they had their reasons because dollar already hiked 50 base points. And for investors to still be interested to hold the Great Britain pound, they left the interest rate unchanged. So the same thing is going to happen on Tuesday for the Reserve Bank of Australia. If that happens, investors are still going to hold on to the Australian dollar. So we're going to be looking for massive buys on AUD USD on Tuesday. So we'll be expecting to receive our signals, and as well, you can as well analyze the market and keep track of it. There shouldn't be anything new as the central bank continues to maintain its hawkish stance amid persistently high inflation. The market sees the first rate cut in February 2025 with a total of 105 base points of easing by the end of next year. Okay, so as well on Tuesday we have the US consumer confidence is expected at 103.8 versus 103.3, which is higher than the previous. The last report surprised to be upside. Dana M. Peterson, bless me, chief economist at the conference board, said overall consumer confidence rose in August but remained within the narrow range that has prevailed over the past 2 years. Consumers continue to express mixed feelings in August compared to July. They were more positive about business conditions, both current and future, but also more concerned about the labor market. Consumers' assessment of the current labor situation, while still positive, continue to weaken, and assessments of the labor market going forward were more pessimistic. This likely reflects the recent increase in unemployment. Consumers were also a bit less positive about future income. Okay, so that's for that. Then on Wednesday, we have the Australian monthly CPI year over year. It is the year over year figure, the inflation year over year, and it's expected to be 3.1% versus 3.5%, which is low. Okay, so this is the expectation, what analysts are saying that it might be, and this was the previous, which is 3.5. So if we see a figure higher than 3.1, probably we see 3.6. That's extremely good. AUD USD used to be buying massively. There will be investor interest in AUD as the inflation is increasing. So as in the AUD will be strong. Okay. The Reserve Bank of Australian Governor Bullock stated that one inflation report wouldn't change their mind. Okay, as they will wait for more data to increase their confidence that inflation is coming back to target. Therefore, unless we get big deviation, this release is unlikely to change anything. Okay, so that's why they still keep their stance of not reducing interest rate. This is the data so far. Inflation was at this point of around 8.5%, and now it has dropped drastically to about 3.5%. Okay, from the year 2023 to the year July 2024. So it's quite a good improvement year over year. Then on Thursday, we have the SNB, which is the New Zealand bank, is expected to cut rates by 25 base points and bring the policy rate to 1%. Wow. So the interest rate is going to be 1%. The market is assessing a 45% possibility of a larger 50 base point cut, which is 45%. So 65% means that they might get 25 base point cut, while 45% means that they might get 50 base point cut. The reason for this is because inflation has been surprising to the downside, with the last release showing a drop of 1.1%, which is much lower than the SMB's 1.5% projection for quarter 3. Wow. So they're saying that they might reduce interest rate by 25 base points or 50 base points. Okay, and if that happens, New Zealand is going to be weak. New Zealand is going to be weak. Then we're going to expect a drop on NZD USD on Thursday. Okay, on Thursday we're going to see NZD USD sell massively. Okay, and then Euro NZD buy massively on Thursday. Okay, GBP NZD buy massively on Thursday. So we're going to be watching out for this. So if we get this 50 base point cut, the move is going to be sharp. Okay, it's going to be sharp. NZD USD will sell very sharp. Euro NZD is going to buy very sharp. So why they might cut is because their projection was inflation to be 1.5% at quarter 3. We're currently in quarter 3. Very soon we'll get into quarter 4. And then currently inflation is at 1.1%, which is good. Okay. Moreover, the SNB Jordan said in late August that the continued strength of the Swiss franc has seen. Wait, oh, I think this is Swiss franc. Oh, SNB is Switzerland National Bank. Okay, so I'm wrong stating NZD. I'm meant to stating USD CHF. USD CHF. So USD CHF is going to buy massively. Please take note. USD CHF is going to buy massively. Euro CHF is going to buy massively. GBP CHF is going to buy massively. So any pair trading against CHF is going to be strong against CHF on Thursday. So I just noted this with this Swiss franc I saw over here has been and I'm not surprised because Swiss bank is one of the very balanced bank and balanced economy in the world. Okay, so they said moreover the SNB Jordan said in late August that the continued strength of the Swiss franc has been haunting the Swiss industry. Therefore, there is a high chance that the central bank either delivers a 50 base point cut, especially after the recent Fed move. Okay, or Joe Bones the currency by threatening intervention. Okay. So as well on Thursday, we have the US jobless claims continues to be one of the most important release to follow every week, as it is a timeliner indicator on the state of the labor market. Initial claims remain inside the 200K to 260K range, created since 2022, while continuous jobless claims after rising substantially during the summer started to improve considerably in the last week. This week, initial claims are expected at 225,000 versus 219K, which is bad for dollar. If this is what analysts are saying it to be, then it's going to be bad for dollar because the initial claims are high than the last data, which is 219K. Why there is no consensus for continuous claim at the time of writing, although the prior release showed a drop of 1,829K. Okay. So this is for the continuous claims, and this is continuous claims as well. So there is no much consensus about the continuous claim, but they're saying that it might drop to 1,829. So we don't know if this is higher than the previous or this is lower than the previous. But no matter what, once the figure is out on Thursday and we see a figure lower than 225K for the initial jobless claims, dollar will be strong. If you see a figure lower than 200K, dollar will be strong. If you see a figure lower than 1,829K, dollar will be strong. But if you see a figure higher than all these figures, 200K, 225K, and 829K, dollar will be weak. Just note that, okay? So that's the most important news we have for this week. If you want to learn how to trade, you can dive down to our website. Okay, just go to our website or your Chrome, type www.10xdigital, okay, lane.com, and you click on submit. Once you click on submit, you wait for the browser to load. And once the browser loads, you gain access to our website. On this our website, you see over here, it says 10x your digital passive portfolio. 10x Digital Learning Academy brings you a unique perspective to the world of digital assets. We teach you how digital trading works, how to earn massive passive income on different digital assets, how to invest in safe assets, how to build and grow your startup business from zero to hero. So you sign up with us right now because procrastination is the thief of time. So once you have made your decision to sign up, and to sign up, it takes few commitments from you. You have this package, the free package, the monthly package, which is $49. This is the basic package. Then we have the 3 months package, which is the premium package. We have the pro package, which is for 6 months, which is $264. Then we have the 1 year package, which is Ultimate Pro, which is $470. Once you've selected the package, and then you can make payment just by clicking on the sign up right here. You click on sign up. Let's say probably you're going for the 1 month package. You click on sign up. You fill the form. You fill the form that is going to open up. Once you fill the form that is going to open up, you also select your payment order, the way you want to make payment, either bank transfer, or you can as well make card payments with your credit card or debit card. And as well, if you want to make a payment using your cryptocurrency, you can reach out to us. You can reach out to support over here. Just scroll down to the end. Okay, you can send us an email over here, reach out to support. And as well, you can reach out on our social media handles. The link is going to be on the website, okay? Just reach out and then we're going to respond to you as quick as possible. Tell us that you want to make payments and this is the package you're going for. You want to pay with cryptocurrency, and then we're going to give you the company wallet address. Once you send your payment and your payment has been confirmed, then you're going to gain access. We're going to collect some details from you, like your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, a password that is going to be used to gain access to your account, your address, your city, your country, your zip code, and your state. So once we have collected those details for you, we're going to assign this information to the what's it called? To the admin. And then the admin is going to use that information to be able to create an account for you. So once this account is created for you, we're going to then log you into your own account. So you click over here on login. Let me show you. If you're already a member, I've created the account for you. You click over there on login. Then over here, you put in the email and the password you used to fill that form, and you click on login. Once you log in, this is the dashboard you're going to see. This is the dashboard you're going to see. And then to gain access to the courses, you come over here, the Academy, Crypto Academy, and you see all our courses. We have the crypto course, we have our audio books, we have the Rise and Grind, which has to do with wealth building and mindset build. Then we have the Pro Forex education. We have the Pro Forex education. We have the Beginner Forex education. We have the Beginner Forex Part 1B as well. We're working on our NASDAQ course, and it will also be added over here. You can also gain access to our webinary links, our trading signals, trading tools, affiliate portal, and other tools like crypto orders. If you want to buy cryptocurrency, you can place your order through here, and a lot more. Mainly these trading tools, you can see you have the advanced chart, which has to do with trading view in an advanced formulation. Then you have the advanced terminal and advanced chart. We have the market cap crypto scanner that scans the market and lets you know the actual cryptocurrency to buy, when to buy, and how to buy. Okay, so that's it right now. I really appreciate you watching to this point. I want you to smash the like button, share this content, this content, and subscribe. Okay, as much as possible to subscribe, and also drop below on the comment section which pair do you want me to analyze moving forward on our market fundamental technical breakdown. I really appreciate you for joining to this point. And yes, let's not forget, I told you guys that I'll be sharing with you guys an opportunity that has to do with a company that can give you guys funding. Yes, exactly. I didn't forget that. Let me share my screen. So right here is the company. Right here is the company. The company is called TenTrade. You can get free funded accounts, instant account, TenTrade. Okay, so to get a free funded account, when you purchase an instant account ranging from $3,000 to $500,000, open for all. I think this has a time duration. Okay, yes, the time duration was 21st, which was yesterday, but still, you can still get an account from them, an instant account, okay? You can get funded today, $3,000 capital. Okay, you can even get funded $1,000 capital, $500,000 capital. You make profit on this capital, and as well, once you make profit on this capital, you can be able to make your withdrawals. Okay, once you make withdrawals, you can be able to what use them and then live the forex lifestyle you dream for yourself. Okay, so you can just visit our Telegram. The link is going to be on the description. Okay, and this link here, this is my referral link. Using my referral link, you get a bonus, and as well, I get a commission. Okay, so that's literally the benefit of using this link. If you are confused, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. This is my link to reach out to me on WhatsApp, and I can have a Zoom session scheduled just for the both of us, and I'll put you through. Okay, I'll guide you through the whole process. So thank you so much once more, and like I promised you guys, I'm going to share this opportunity with you. More will be coming, definitely. Very, very big opportunities and information coming your way. So I want you guys to stay active, stay connected, and as well